one, guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some sweet spicy chili wings. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. So here we have our chicken already washed with lime and vinegar and ready to go. So yes guys, I am excited about this one. I am excited because you know I love spice. So here we have some chili all-purpose seasoning. We have some meat season over there. We have some chicken season. We have garlic powder. We have paprika and some special herb right there. So we're gonna put all this spice to our chicken. Yes guys, see all those spices combined together. It's gonna give it this nice amazing taste. So here we're gonna rub our chicken, make sure we season the chicken to the bone. Make sure your chicken is well seasoned. Yes, I am not adding any actual salt because so here we're adding some oil to the chicken. I did not add any salt because the two of the spices that I'm using already have salt, so you don't want to put too much salt in your meat. Yes guys, see it's coming along well and nice. So once I finish here seasoning my chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and place it for about 45 minutes. You can season it from overnight if you wish to, and put it down to marinate for a while. So when I come back, we'll be ready for, yes guys, welcome back. So chicken smells so nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some flour. So this is how I do my wings. I just add the flour in. Yes, it's a little bit tricky when you're using your hands without the, but I'm okay doing that. This is something, I love wings, spicy barbecue jerk, I just love it. So here our stove is already on high, so I'm gonna add my chicken. So I am gonna make sure they're crispy, golden crispy. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Guys, if you could just be in this kitchen and smell the nice aroma that is going on in here. Wow. So as I said before, this is Pal's sweet and spicy chili chicken wings. And I tell you, it's gonna come out wonderful. Yes guys, I'm turning them over. Yes, that's what I'm looking for, the golden crispy look on the each side. So this is something that you can whip up in a quick, like 20 minutes or more. It depends on how you prepare your chicken, but I love to have it well done. So like I got that crispy on that side, I'm gonna go ahead and flip everything to get that same golden look on the other side. So guys, what do you like to eat your wings with? What side dish you like to eat your wings with? You can leave it in the comment section. I will definitely check it out because I love to eat mine with some vegetable on the side or some potato salad or something like that. But for the sweet and spicy chicken wings, I would just have it just as it is because it's amazing. I'm flipping to make sure I don't burn the chicken. Yes. Yes guys, our chicken is ready, golden crispy. Yes, this is how I like it. So yes, it's ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. And you can eat it just as it is, because it still have the chili combined when we're seasoning it, so it's nice just as it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and make my sauce to put it together. I'm excited guys, I'm excited. I'm so excited to try this one. So yes guys, they're all finished now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff ready for the sauce. So now I'm gonna add some hot pepper with my scallion, my green onion. I have a tubs of vinegar in there too, so I'm gonna use my whisk today. So here I have some blend garlic and ginger that I'm gonna put in there. So I add a tablespoon of it. I don't really measure, but I'm gonna squeeze some lemon, also some lemon in there. And I also have some cornstarch. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of cornstarch in there. And I also have my honey, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my honey. So this is what gives it the sweet taste. Yes. Make sure you stir that honey out. You see, it may look a little bit watery right now, but it will eventually get the body that we're looking for to give it that. So here we have our chili pepper. Guys, I love a lot of spice, so you will see me put a lot of chili pepper in this sauce, because guys, I tell you, I cannot. Yes, that's how I like it. Some may say, "Ooh, that's a lot of chili," but it's not too much. It's the right amount. So So see it's coming along well. So I add my cornstarch to help to give it that, thickness. It's gonna stick to that a little bit, but eventually I will get it there. So I have to turn my stove down. So see right there, guys, wow, very nice chili sauce, very thick, rich, and so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken to it. I'm excited when I'm cooking. That's how I sound, very excited. I don't know why, maybe because I love what I'm doing. I enjoy cooking. I love my kitchen. It's my safe place. Yeah. So here I'm coating my chicken, guys. Oh, this looks so nice. It looks so amazing. So guys, so this is my sweet and spicy chili chicken. So guys, I hope you enjoy my cooking today. Thank you for making it Pal's Island Kitchen. Live good, love God, and see you next time. Remember to subscribe